In this video guide, we will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam that comes from the site Roclin.click. Roclin.click is a truly malicious website which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. Keep in mind that it is definitely a mistake to interact with these pop-ups. They try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. But remember that it's a mistake to interact with these pop-ups. They are not related to any decent security software, so do not ever tolerate them. What I recommend you to do is just leave this page, and I also recommend that you additionally research the safety of your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then start investigating and researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.